Understanding Cryptocurrency, a comprehensive guide table of contents introduction to cryptocurrency definition and origins, the rise of digital currency, the technology behind cryptocurrency blockchain, explained cryptographic security, consensus mechanisms, major cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, the pioneer Ethereum and smart contracts, other notable cryptocurrencies, how cryptocurrency works, wallets and private keys transactions, and mining decentralization and peer-to-peer networks, investing in Cryptocur, the technology behind cryptocurrency blockchain, explained at the core of most cryptocurrencies is blockchain technology. A blockchain is a distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. Each transaction is grouped into a block and linked to the previous block, forming a chain. This structure ensures the integrity and chronological order of transactions. Cryptographic security, cryptocurrencies employ advanced cryptographic techniques to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. Public and private keys are fundamental to this security. A public key serves as an address that others can use to send cryptocurrency, while a private key, known only to the owner, is used to sign transactions, providing proof of ownership and authorization. Consensus mechanisms to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. Cryptocurrencies use consensus mechanisms. The most common are proof of work. POW miners solve complex mathematical problems to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. Bitcoin uses POW. Proof of stake. POS validators are chosen to create blocks based on the number of coins they hold and are willing to stake as collateral. Ethereum has transitioned to POS. Each mechanism has its advantages and challenges, impacting the scalability, security, and environmental footprint of the cryptocurrency. Major cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin. The pioneer Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency and remains the most well-known and widely used. It introduced the concept of decentralized digital currency and operates on a POW consensus mechanism. Ethereum and smart contracts. Ethereum expanded on Bitcoin's concept by introducing smart contracts, self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. This innovation has enabled the development of decentralized applications, dApps, and decentralized finance, DeFi, platforms. Other notable cryptocurrencies, Binance Coin. BNB initially launched as a utility token for the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. BNB has expanded its use cases to include transaction fees on the Binance Chain and Binance Smart Chain. Ripple, XRP, aimed at facilitating real-time, cross-border payments for banks and financial institutions. Cardano, ADA, aims to provide a more secure and scalable platform for the development of dApps and smart contracts. How cryptocurrency works. Wallets and private keys. Cryptocurrency wallets are tools that allow users to store and manage their digital assets. They come in two main types: hot wallets, connected to the internet, making them more convenient but potentially more vulnerable to hacks. Cold wallets, offline storage options, such as hardware wallets, offering enhanced security. Private keys are crucial for accessing and managing cryptocurrency holdings. Losing a private key means losing access to the associated funds. Transactions and mining. When a user initiates a transaction, it is broadcast to the network, where miners or validators verify its legitimacy. In POW systems, miners compete to solve mathematical problems, with the first to succeed adding the transaction to the blockchain and receiving a reward. In POS systems, validators are selected based on their stake. Decentralization and peer-to-peer networks. Cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks of computers, nodes. This peer-to-peer structure eliminates the need for intermediaries, reducing the risk of single points of failure and increasing the resilience of the network. Investing in cryptocurrency. Getting started to invest in cryptocurrency, individuals typically choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange, Coinbase, Binance, Kraken. Complete identity verification. Know your customer, KYC. Deposit funds, fiat, or other cryptocurrencies. Purchase desired cryptocurrencies. Transfer holdings to a secure wallet for safekeeping. Risk management. Cryptocurrency investments are highly volatile. Strategies like dollar cost averaging, DCA, where an investor buys a fixed dollar amount of a particular investment on a regular schedule, can help mitigate risks. Regulatory considerations. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies varies by country. Some governments have embraced them, while others have imposed restrictions or outright bans. It's essential to stay informed about local regulations and tax implications. Applications of cryptocurrency decentralized finance, DeFi. DeFi refers to financial services that operate on blockchain technology without traditional intermediaries like banks. These services include lending, borrowing, trading, and earning interest on digital assets. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs. NFTs are unique digital assets representing ownership of a specific item or piece of content, often used in art, music, and gaming. Real-world use cases. Cryptocurrencies are increasingly being used for remittances, online purchases, and as a hedge against inflation in certain regions. Challenges and risks. Market volatility. Cryptocurrency prices can experience significant fluctuations within short periods, leading to potential gains or losses.